All right, good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful Sunday morning here in Florida in February. We're headed over to Yulee for the Yulee Cars and Coffee monthly meetup. We always try to make this event. It's always a good one, and it helps that it's on Sunday, make it a little bit easier to get to. Um, we had originally planned to go to Cruising for Kids yesterday on Saturday, but we didn't make it. We're still recovering from the flu. Uh, but moving forward, we're going to try to get back on a regular schedule of going car shows and whatnot. Um, but anyway, so we're gonna go and see what's at Yulee this month. It's actually on the wrong weekend because it got rained out last weekend. So we might have a different turnout of cars, or might have a big turnout of cars. We just don't know. But stay tuned, and we'll show you what we see. All right, guys, made it out to Yulee Cars and Coffee. It's a little bit smaller of a crowd than we would normally have, and it's probably because it's not the normal weekend; it's the weekend after. So um, there's still some interesting cars out here. We got a couple of pretty cool cars out here. We'll take some more video, but just it's an off weekend. There was a big car show yesterday. I think a lot of people went out to it and just didn't want to come out today. So we'll we'll show you what we got, and so stay tuned. This will be an okay video. Um, but just it's a light turnout this week. I mean, this month. You never know from month to month. But anyway, stay tuned. Eric, you want 29 had got fine. Yeah. That'll be cool. And he's like, it's ambitious, but it's not. They're gonna do 50. Sitting all that time because I'd be like driving down the road and I start getting these bumps. Just like especially around 55 miles an hour. I thought it was park roads at first. You're good. It is a fun.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You're fine.
That'll be cool.
And he's like, it's ambitious, but it's not.
That is a fun.
Like it's at 7-Eleven works perfect.
What?
Fella doing the gator chomp.
Yeah. I didn't see you.
You missed him. He was right here when you did it.
Yeah. And I hate that we missed that show yesterday.
All right, guys. So we just left Yulee Cars and Coffee. And we didn't have as many cars there this month as we normally would. I mean, we had quite a few cars, but we didn't draw as well as we normally would. It's probably because we pushed it off from last week because it was nasty weather. But we still had some awesome cars show up. We had a couple of cars you don't see very many of. We even had a Vista Cruiser show up. You don't really see those very much. He got the trophy for the month for the best car. And I'll admit it was beautiful. It was black and gold. Oh man, it was pretty. But yeah, normal fare showed up. There was another a red Pantera showed up. That was a pretty cool looking car. But yeah, it just it may have just been an off week. It may have been people that just didn't come out because there was a big show yesterday. I mean, Cruising for Kids was a huge show, and I feel bad for missing it, but then again, it's like, well, you know, I just couldn't make it. I'm still getting over the flu. I only did the one today because, well, I needed content, and it was a short show. 2 hours and I'm done, versus an all day event. It's easier. But next weekend, I've got 2 car shows and 3 hockey games on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. I got Friday night hockey. I got Saturday morning. I got a car show. It's going to be a toss up. I've got either Kingsland Cars and Coffee, or there's a show at Bozard Ford in St. Augustine. I'm leaning towards St. Augustine, just for different ground, a different show. Saturday night I got hockey. Sunday morning, at the arena before the hockey game, there's going to be a boots on the ground Jeep show. So I'm going to go out and shoot that too before the third hockey game of the weekend. So going to be a busy weekend next weekend. Of course, I'll have video highlights from everything, and I'll do vlog videos of all of it. So, but like I said, Saturday morning's a toss up. I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet. But I'm leaning towards St. Augustine just because it'll be something different. But I won't know until that morning what I'm going to do. Because I'm sure there's something else I'm forgetting. Because my calendar stays stacked with events that I want to do, that are whether I can do or not. It's just random pick. What do I want to do the most? Kind of thing. But anyway, I appreciate my subscribers staying with me this past week and a half, 2 weeks, where there's been very little content. Or there was a whole week where I didn't post anything. I was that bad off. I didn't want to touch my computer. I didn't want to do anything but sleep. I was so sick for a week. And then this last week, I finally got back. I got to posting again, and it's old content, but it's content I hadn't posted or shared. So I appreciate my subscribers sticking through that. I think we're at 212 or 213. So we got a little ways to go till we get to 500. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share these videos around. I know they're not everybody's cup of tea, but I deliver the experience of going to the car show without having to go to the car show, because you can't make it to every car show. There's no way. There's just so many car shows going on. So I pick the ones that I want to go to, and I take you out with me. So anyway, that's going to wrap up this video. Like I said, I had a big weekend next weekend. I'm gonna be exhausted come Sunday evening, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So we'll see you on the next one, guys.